to my channel. In this video I'm going to cover the solution to this question, do some live coding work, and also at the same time I'm going to follow the general steps you should follow in a coding interview. So before we start the real content for today, I would really appreciate that if you can help subscribe this channel because it can help this channel to grow. So let's take a look at the question. Longest substring without repeating characters. So given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So let's say if you have ABC, ABC, BB, then the return value is going to be 3. That is because ABC is the longest substring with length 3 that doesn't have any repeating characters. So on and so forth with example 2, 3, 4. So let's take a look at the constraints. It says that the string the length of the string is anywhere between 0 to 50k, and the string contains only English letters, digit, symbol, and space. So essentially it's saying that it contains ASCII characters, something like that. So having said that, not too much room to find the edge case, but maybe we can consider the string to be empty, or the string just contain one character, then we can just return the length of the string without doing anything. Other than that, I think not too much of the room to think about edge case. So the next step is about finding a solution. So this is a pretty standard sliding window question. So we are just going to use a sliding window. Essentially, you have 2 pointers, a left pointer and the right pointer, and also at the same time you keep record of the frequency of each of the character to make sure that we don't have the same character to appear more than once within the window. So in case there is more than in case the same character appear more than once, then we just keep moving the left pointer to make sure that we exclude the corresponding character from it. So that's pretty much it. So runtime is going to be all of n. So space-wise, I would say, suppose the answer is going to be m, then the run, or maybe suppose there are m distinct characters, then it is the space-wise is going to be om. So something like that. So having said that, let's start to do some coding work. So for coding, take care about the correctness and the readability, and also don't be too slow because there is limit for the interview. So if string.length is smaller than 2, what we are going to do is we are just going to return as the length. Otherwise, we are going to have 2 pointers, the left pointer, the right pointer, and also we have the map. Keep recording of the corresponding character and the corresponding frequency. It's going to be a new hash map. So you're going to keep moving the right pointer. Actually we just don't need to define the right pointer here. So right is smaller than length, the plus right. So we are going to have car free. Okay, so car C is going to be dot car at right. And then what we are going to do is we are going to update the car free map. So car free map dot put C car free map, get the corresponding, it should be get or default 0 plus 1. So you update the character frequency map. So the thing we need to do is we need to try to make sure that the corresponding character doesn't appear more than once. So well, car free map dot get C is larger than 1. We are just going to keep moving our left pointer. So car free map dot put it will be s.car at left put s.car. Okay, so let's define another thing. Let's say left car, so that we don't need to call this car at multiple times. For the left car, and this is car free map.get car -1. All right. So I think that's pretty much it, and also we need to plus the left pointer. Alright, so at this moment we already know that within the left and right there is no character appear more than once, so we are going to keep record of the max length. So let's say we have the max length as equal to 0 at the very beginning, max length as max.max max length. This should be right minus left plus 1, and then we just the final return max length. So that's pretty much it about the coding. So I'll just rely on this platform to help us do some debugging. Seems like it works. So let's run some other test cases. Alright, so let's do a submission. Alright, so everything works well. So that's it for this coding question. If you have any question regarding the solution, regarding whatever, feel free to leave some comments below. If you like this video, please help subscribe this channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.